What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the exhaust camshaft position sensor on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just want to pull this cover off, just grab underneath the cover, slide up, and then up there and there is these retainers that hold it in. They just push on little grommets right on those locations. The exhaust camshaft position sensor is located right here. We're just gonna disconnect the connector, push down right here on the lock, disconnect the connector. Now if there's any dirt or anything, you wanna wipe it away or take a blow gun. Blow off any dust. You don't want any of the dirt getting into the engine. I'm going to take a 10mm socket and an electric ratchet, or you can use a regular ratchet. Take this bolt out. Now just grab the sensor, just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. There is an O-ring that seals it. Sometimes those stick a little bit. So the O-ring's pretty stuck in there. What I'm gonna do is just take a little water displacement oil or some kind of a lubricant. Just spray that in there. Just let it sit for a second. Lubricate that, and then I should be able to pull it out. All right, now just grab the sensor, wiggle it a little bit, twist it. Just gonna put a little bit of tension right here, just with a pick. There we go. And it came out. There's the O-ring that was sticking. And there's the old sensor. Just before we install the new sensor, just take a rag, wipe out some of that area. There's probably a little bit of corrosion on there. You could take a little bit of emery cloth or some light sandpaper and just sand it if you had to. I don't plan on doing that with this one. That's good, especially because you don't want any of that stuff to get down in there. So here's the old part. Here's the new cam sensor from 1aauto.com. You can use this cam sensor both in the exhaust cam or the intake cam. The sensor itself is the same, has the same O-ring, the connector is the same, and the mounting position is the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, take the new sensor. You can take a little bit of oil or transmission fluid or even some other kind of grease and put that on there. It'll help the O-ring go in a little easier without rolling. And slide the sensor in position. Just wiggle it a little bit, back and forth. Make sure it's flush. That looks good. Take the bolt, get the bolt started. And I'll take my 10mm socket and electric ratchet, snug this down. And that's good. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. Take this cover, we want to line these little tabs up with these little pins right there. There's 3 of them. Just push it down and then you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.